This right here is an old scanner that I picked up about a couple of months back completely for free. I didn't even pay a cent for it. It's an old secondhand job. And this right here is a spare monitor, an old monitor that I picked up for $8 online. It goes for about $100 new. I picked it up for $8. But I'm going to show you a couple of websites throughout this video, how you can actually get junk like this completely for free and flip this kind of junk and make a full-time income out of it. I literally did this every single day when I was 13 years old to make extra pocket money online. And I actually made my first $1,000 online by doing this, flipping junk just like this, flipping free junk. It's literally free money on the internet. It's such an underrated strategy. I'm going to show you the exact websites and all the details that you need in this video. To get started with this, I'm going to try and make this as worldwide as possible. But stick with me, let's hop straight into my computer and get straight into it. What's going on, guys? We are now inside of my computer, and as I said, I'm going to show you this exact strategy that I've been using, or that I used when I was 13 years old to make my first $1,000 online. Now, what's really cool about the strategy, I don't really have proof for this because this method actually pays out cash in whatever country you are, whether it's America, UK, you'll get paid in USD or Great British Pounds, not PayPal, not Bitcoin, no bank account connected, no waiting forever to withdraw money online. You get paid cash. And this method is a quick or a long-term business model, which I really like about this. You can either use it to earn a couple of bucks online, or you can do it full-time and actually earn a sustainable income online. And I actually still do this today sometime. As you just saw in the intro, I've got a monitor and an old scanner that I'm going to flip online and probably make about 30 to 40 bucks, that's dollars, online doing this. And the best part about this is completely free to do. You can actually get these products completely for free, and you might find some good deals as well, such as the monitor that I picked up for $9. I can go and sell that probably for about 20, 30 bucks and make quite a good amount on that. And anybody can do this, as it's actually one of the easiest and free ways to make money online. This is going to be such a gem of a video. I really try and encourage you guys to pay attention throughout this video, as it's really an amazing strategy that I think is very underrated. But guys, my name is Jay, and I make videos just like this one on how to make money online, how to build online businesses, and how to build your online brand and presence. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an amazing video just like this one. But if you're ready for this value pack video, let's get straight into it. And there's actually quite a couple of websites that I'm going to show you throughout this video, because I want to try and make this worldwide as possible, as I don't think this is available in every single city. But if you look right here, the first website I'm going to go to is Craigslist.org, which is probably one of the largest websites, e-com websites in the world, where people post classified ads, such as secondhand products, junk, such as you saw, an old printer, an old monitor, computer equipment, old phones, you name it. You can literally post anything or any kind of ad on Craigslist.org. And you'll see right here, the categories range from automotive, beauty, cell phones, computer, for sale, antiques, appliances, arts and crafts, auto parts, general, heavy equipment, jewelry, materials, gaming, computers, you name it. There's tons and tons of categories that you can go and buy and get free junk on Craigslist.org. And you'll actually see here, if you come to Craigslist.org/about/sites, you can actually see all the different continents that Craigslist is available in. You can see the different cities. So for example, US, all the different cities that this is available in, the different areas, suburbs within those cities as well, where people are posting ads. Same with Canada. You can see here Europe, all the various different cities and countries with their cities and areas in there. Asia and Pacific and Middle East, also a lot of people posting ads on this website. So you can see Craigslist is probably the most worldwide you're going to get, but I'm going to show you an alternative if your city is not listed here. So let's say I'm in New York. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to New York, and let's say I'm in New York City. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take me to New York's Craigslist website. And you'll see right here, no matter where you are, no matter what country, no matter what continent, no matter what area you are in, there is always people giving away free stuff, old free junk, whether it's old computer components, old canopy for a bucky that I saw recently that was worth quite a bit. People are always giving away free stuff, and you can literally go and collect the stuff and flip it online. I'm going to show you the best platform that you can flip it on, and it's literally such an easy way to make money online by selling products that people are giving away for free. So you'll see right here, for sale, there's actually a free section. So what I would do is I would come onto Craigslist.org in my city, or there's another website that I actually use in South Africa as well, which I'll show you too. It's actually international as well. And you'll see right here, a free tin rolling rock sign. So that someone's giving away that for free. It could be a collectible. Here's a white bookcase, like a storage for a kid's room, completely for free. Here's old chairs, free stool chairs that you can literally go and collect. Flip this online for $10 each and make $30 on these 3 chairs, literally for doing no work. He's giving these products to you for completely for free. You'll see right here, there's a person selling a mirror, like a passage mirror. That's worth quite a bit of money, probably $20-$30 that you can go and flip online. I'm going to show you the best place to go and flip this stuff. Here's an old Christmas tree. Who loves Christmas? Who doesn't love Christmas? Christmas tree, free. You can go and pick that up, sell that. There's a whole bunch of shelves here. You can see right here, completely for free. Old ladies' clothing, free baby toys. There's always people giving stuff away for free, and you can literally go and flip all of this and probably make $50 to $100 a day doing this full time. Here's a free LED 32-inch TV. Maybe even if it's broken, you can literally go and pick this up, sell it for $20 to $50 for parts. If it is working, you can go and sell it for $100, make $100 profit on that. As you can see, I can scroll down and down and down, and there's always people giving away free stuff. So what I would do is, let's say I'm interested in this old Rocky tin sign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this ad in a new tab. It will open up the ad for me. Then you can see right here, the beer sucks, the sign is nice, it's the description. Give me a date and time you can come, first to come gets it. And you'll see right here, they've got a big reply button at the top left that you can click on. And you can see, you can reply by email, so you can email them, and you can literally, some people might even include their cell phone numbers where you can WhatsApp them or call them, and you can like meet up with them at a public mall, collect your product, and you can go and flip that online. This is what I used to do when I was 13. I'd literally get one of my parents to drop me off at the mall, and I'd go meet the guy, go see the product somewhere safe in public. I'd go shake his hand, get the product, and I'd go and flip this online. And it's a great way of meeting people around as well. So you'll see right here, what I do is you click on reply, you can go and email him, hey, I'm interested in your products, I can come collect tomorrow at 2 p.m. Please have it ready. Is it ready? If it's not available, go have a look at other products as well. There's tons of other products, such as this exercise bike right here. Let's say I'm interested in this. What I do is I go click on reply, and you can go and ask him, hey, can I pick this up when it's ready, or whenever you are ready? Go and pick it up, and you can actually see they've got pictures for you that you can literally use already. Then what I would do is I would actually head over to facebook.com, and Facebook actually has a marketplace where you can go and flip this junk and make money with it. Facebook's not the only one, but Facebook is one of the best. And you'll see right here, on your Facebook account, there's a section here that says marketplace. Click on that, and you'll see right here, there's a button that says sell something. So since Facebook, I've allowed Facebook to pick my location. There's people selling stuff. You can see there's an old computer for $600, which is about $30. Old PC. This is people selling stuff in my local town, which is Port Elizabeth. And you'll see right here, I can click on sell something. I can literally type what am I selling. I can go back to this ad. You can literally copy this is free tin rolling Rocky sign. We just remove free because obviously we're not selling for free. Price, we can maybe put, let's say, $100, which is about $10, or maybe not even. We can go 60 Rand, which is about $5. Select a category. Obviously, this would be like a sign, I guess, accessories or appliances or antiques and collectibles. Sorry. Then you can add photos. You can literally go to this picture, open it in a new tab, save it to your local PC. You can then upload this photo to Facebook, just like that. You can then click on next, and you'll see right here, you can post it in your marketplace, you can post it in specific groups, and your contact people will basically message you through Facebook. You'll organize to meet up with them. They pay you cash in person, which is really amazing. But also importantly, what I'm going to show you is, let's say you're in a place that doesn't have Craigslist, or Craigslist is not as popular and there's not as much free stuff. Literally what you can do is, let's say you in, I don't know, let's say New Delhi, India. What you can do is you can go to India classified websites, or you can also even type your city, Delhi classified website. You can literally type in the name of your city, classified website, and there will be, you can see right here, first link, daily classified ads. You can go right here, click on this website, and you can go and look at stuff that people are selling or perhaps even giving away for free. Obviously now, if you're in a smaller town, like a much smaller town, this is not going to be as easy for you because there's less people giving free stuff. There will maybe be people selling junk. And what I would do is, as soon as I started making money on the free stuff, I would actually use some of that money, go buy some even better deals. For example, there was a second-hand iPhone 6 that I bought in 2016 or 2014 for about $400. I resold it for about $750, made $350 in one sale, which was really amazing. So you'll see right here, this is the free classified ads example I used in Delhi. This will probably work in India as well. There's another one here, listingwala.com. This will work in India as well. And then for my South African viewers, I use a website called gumtree.co.za. I always am buying and selling stuff on this website. You can see right here, you can filter by your different area. You can literally go onto a specific category. So let's say I'm looking for computer components. You can actually filter the price by naught, and there's also people giving free stuff here. So you'll see right here, minimum, naught, maximum, naught. I'm going to click apply, and you'll see right here, here's like an old printer, old PC games, an old tablet, old DDR RAM that you can literally go and collect and flip online on Facebook Marketplace or on Gumtree itself or whatever city you are in. Literally just go to Google, type in your city, let's go New York, classified ads, and you'll probably find a website that does classified ads in your local area. You'll see right here, free classified ads New York. Literally go search any city. But if you are struggling with this, what I suggest is join my private Facebook group down below where I will help you out with this personally. I've been doing this for the last probably 5-6 years, flipping junk online, and I love it. Like literally when I get a $5 sale, it's actually so exciting as well. But yeah, join my private Facebook group down below and I'll help you guys out if you have any problems. And also have something cool for you guys on the screen right here. I've got a whole bunch of playlists or like free courses that I have on YouTube on how I've been making money online and teaching you here right here for free. So choose one of these playlists and I'll see you there.